everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've done an LV unboxing and I'm excited to share what I got. So let's get started. I ordered this online and it came with 2 shopping bags. Here's my receipt. There. They also give me this, it's like a stationery where you can write something like a letter if you want to give this to someone else or as a gift. Okay, let me put this down and let me open this one first. Are you excited to see what I got? There, this is the Vivienne bracelet. There you can see how pretty is Vivienne. She's so cute. So this bracelet has 2 sizes, 17 and 19 centimeters, and this is 19 centimeters. This is in a monogram canvas strap, gold medal, in gold medal hardware. And inside, let me just open, yeah, there. And inside it's in calf leather lining. There you can see the item code number there. And here it says Louis Vuitton, made in Spain, and there's like the serial number. So here you can see the LV signature engrave on the clasp, and here is Vivienne. She's engraved with monogram pattern. There, so what can you say about my Vivienne bracelet? Let me try it on so you can see it, how it looks on me. Okay. So there you go, this is how it looks on me. I like that it's loose, that I can move it around. See how cute is Vivienne. This is perfect for everyday accessory. I can easily match it with any of my outfit. Yeah, love it. Okay, next. Here. When it first came out, it was sold out right away. So I'm happy that this time I finally have this. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Woo! Love it. I love it right away. So this is my mini pochette from the summer 2020 Escale collection with silver hardware and tie-dye print in feminine pastel colors. I love the pink, purple, and this blue here, yellow. So this is how it looks. It has this big flower, and then on the side, bottom, here's the other side, and then here you can see the monogram canvas design. So here's the zipper closure. It has LV And then here says made in France. So let me open it. Oh wow, I love how it looks inside. So it has this booklet and this, and inside it's color like lavender or purple, and then you can see the small print there, like LV monogram print, and here is the date code. It's there. It says SF2200. Yeah. There you go. It's so pretty and I love it right away. I'm so happy that I finally have this in my collection. I love collecting limited edition mini pochette. So let me show you my other mini pochette collection. I am currently using this one as my makeup pouch. Yeah, they're so fun to collect because you can also use it as a wallet. Here, Christmas animation. And this one too from Christmas animation 2016. And of course from last year's collection. And now this one. There. And of course my Vivienne. I love it so much. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.